H-Town like this. Can you say one thing for me though?
What is
Tell my viewers to watch Pharaoh Finesse on YouTube.
Pharaoh Finesse on YouTube?
Yeah. Alright, check it. It's your boy Pharaoh Finesse. We over here at this food truck or whatever like that. They want to pay $25 for some wings. I don't even know how much some wings gonna cost. Shrimp pasta. The pasta probably gonna be this small. Dream wings, bro. I've been to Dream Wings before. I ain't never been like this. What the hell they serving? What are they talking about? We are not about to review them. Roz and Sean, ladies and gentlemen, we about to start off this vlog with some coffee and beignets. We're headed to Coffee Call. We're gonna see what it's about. Just trying to start off this Sunday the right way, and that's with coffee, you feel me? So, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. They said this is the strong coffee right here. It's already made. The vlog in there. Yeah, I got my beignets.
I got a cheese right, and that phone will be broke.
She said she was gonna break my phone?
Yeah, in a corner.
Lady said she was gonna break my phone if I filmed it. Help me! Help! Help! Oh yeah, I'll pay for it.
I can't deal.
How much?
680.
682? Cool. Vlogging for YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh man,
Check it out. I got my coffee right here, and what I do is I put in like 6 of these sweeteners right here. We got our beignets right here. I'm about to go ahead and review it, try it out. I'm gonna try the beignet first. It's mud bussin'. It's pretty bussin'. Try with them coffee. Dip it in there. It tastes good with the coffee, I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? If I was to rate it 1 through 10, you already know how I go. I give this establishment an 8. A solid 8.
Get out the pipe, trying to strike me out. All my bitches mad at me, they wanna fight me now.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, next part of the vlog. We are right now at LSU Fall Fest. It's our homecoming, so we're about to see what this is about. Show, you know what I'm saying, a little bit of vlog, a little video, whatever like that. But yeah. Man, what y'all doing with that? Y'all don't know what to do with those? Y'all don't know what to do with those? We ain't selling over here a condom?
Yeah,
Do they have flavored ones?
Hey, all right now.
I was just kidding, Anyway. But you know what? I'm trying to find the food. That's what I'm trying to find. I'm out here thugging 1 deep. Y'all know what I'm on. I'm on that free stuff. That's all I'm about to get. Look. Free stuff. And most definitely I gotta get a soda or whatever like that, cause I'm gonna have a chaser. Well, you know what I'm saying? This upcoming weekend. So stay tuned, y'all. What the fuck does A mean? motherfuckers locked their dog in the car.
3 blacks. We know how to pop a lock. Ain't that a...
Help! Help! Help him up! Help him up, man! We in Tigerland with it. We vlogging out here. What y'all doing over here? Y'all chilling, Project X on. They chilling. Woo! Alright, YouTube, that's the end of the vlog. Stay tuned for more. You know I'm gonna upload some more. I'm gonna stay persistent with y'all, but stay tuned. Appreciate y'all for watching.